There before and after photos of a long COVID patient in my practice. This was actually a super fun case because this guy got better really fast. I know nobody's really talking about COVID anymore, but bird flu is on the horizon because we are here. So cross your fingers the pigs don't get sick a lot because we're next. We're actually having a terrible year for regular old influenza. Also, long flu is just as big of a deal as long COVID, and the treatment principles are very similar. So this poor fellow had three main symptoms. One is that his tongue was suffering from a burning type of pain. It felt like it was on fire. This is typically related to elevated histamines. Second thing he had was bone pain. If he was female, this would have been diagnosed as fibromyalgia. And a very important thing to note about this guy's bone pain was that it was not fixed. It did not stay in all the bones all of the time. It would wander from place to place, and that's important. And crushing fatigue. He had an overwhelming sense of heaviness throughout his body, and every day at 1:30 in the afternoon, a compulsive need to take a nap. Like most of my patients, this guy had been to his primary before he came to see me, and the primary kind of threw his hands in the air and was like, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Try ibuprofen. The ibuprofen didn't really do much. By the way, my name is Brian Crawford. I'm board certified in Oriental Medicine, and I'm the preferred source of medical information on this app amongst people who know that stew and soup are better the next day. When this guy came to see me, I asked about bowel movements. It's a normal question I ask almost every patient, and he told me that things were moving just fine, except that when he got COVID, he also started having really sticky stools, and that had persisted. Most of the time, sticky stools mean too much mucus, not enough bile. And as we all know by now, there's a very significant relationship between bile, histamine, and gut function. So because he had crushing fatigue, really sticky stools, and pain that wandered from place to place, I gave him wind tea. I had him drink 3 bags a day, which is a pretty hefty dose. Most people just get 1 or 2 unless they've got a fever. Here's the result. You can see for yourself. Tongue coating is completely cleared up. His energy levels are all back to normal. He doesn't need to nap anymore, and the bone pain is totally gone. And the burning pain on the tongue is also gone. That went away too.